Hello guys, I have 3 objects on this scene. A camera, capsule, and a cube. If I run the game and move this cube and place it between the player object, which is a capsule, and the camera, nothing happened. But let me activate this script that detects an object between camera and player, then moves the camera closer. As you can see, whenever an object is detected, the camera will move closer to the player. If you're interested to use this script, get the link in the description of this video. That's all for this video. Thank you and see you soon.